Hello everybody, my name is Yara and today I unboxed the fridge and it is a very good company. It's named Hire and I'm going to tell you its model, which is HRF 4418 and the series is IPPA1 and the color is purple. And so you could see you have to pull out like you see the sheet, you have to pull out it so the condenser can work. As you can see here, you could see different parts they gave us. You could put ice cubes and eggs here. Look how big this fridge is, and it's really good company and I love it.